Hello everyone, welcome back to our video where we provide you with creative ideas for gardening and landscaping. And this video we will be discussing some landscape design ideas for an uneven garden plot. An uneven garden plot can be challenging to work with, but with a few tips and tricks, you can turn it into a beautiful outdoor space that you will love. The first step is designing an uneven garden plot as to assess the space, determine the areas that are sloped, and identify the high and low points. Take note of any obstacles such as trees, rocks, or structures that you want to incorporate into the design. The next step is to create levels. Creating different levels as an effective way to make an uneven garden plot look more organized and attractive. You can create levels by building retaining walls using raised beds or tracing. This will help you to create different areas for different activities such as a sitting area or a vegetable garden. Plants are a great way to add color, texture, and interest to an uneven garden plot. Choose plots that are suited to the conditions of your garden. For example, if you have a sloped area, use plants that are good for erosion control, such as ground covers or shrubs with deep roots. You can also use plants to create visual interest and highlight different areas of your garden. Adding a water feature and another way to enhance an uneven garden plot. A small pond or a fountain can add a relaxing and climbing atmosphere to your garden. If you have a slope, consider adding a waterfall or stream to create a natural looking water feature. Finally, consider adding lighting to your garden. Outdoor lighting can make your garden look more inviting and enhance its beauty, especially at night. Use soft, warm lighting to highlight to different areas of your garden and create a cozy atmosphere. So those were some landscape design ideas for an uneven garden plot. Remember, an uneven garden plot can be challenging, but with a little creativity and effort, you can turn it into a beautiful outdoor space that you will love. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening and landscaping ideas. Thank you for watching.